Welcome back to another episode here with Adam Kuhl and Rick Stein. Adam Kuhl with Kuhlman Group and Rick Stein with ROS Properties. Together we have a partnership LLC that we do buy and holds and fix and flips. Today's episode here is regarding a buy and hold that we are under contract, scheduled to close next Wednesday. And what we have here was a distressed older gentleman. Ultimately, we were in talks with him 9-10 months ago when he had an interest in selling the property. This is during COVID times, and he had a tenant in here who was just making his life very stressful, very aggravated, and very uncooperative. So 9-10 months went by. He finally was able to go through an eviction, and he got control back of his property. So we are officially under contract, ready to go. This property here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is a condo up here in the Lawrenceville area. We are on the 3rd floor. What we're coming in to find is that the property's been used. It's got some wear and tear, as you'll see throughout the video here. We're not going to go too over the top, but we are going to try to correct all the issues. We are going to try to brighten it up in here. And we're going to give a little bit of a facelift here and there, but not throughout the entire property. The schedule here is going to be, fresh paint, patchwork where it's need be. We actually are going to try and refresh the entire kitchen. And then the 2 bathrooms they're in pretty good working order. We're going to give a little bit of a facelift, but a good cleanup, scrub a dub on both of them. And then the bedrooms, again, just some patchwork, paintwork, and just get them refreshed, ready to go. So the idea here is time is money, and the goal here is to get in, get it turned around, and get it back out there for us to get good quality tenants back in here so that this unit can start performing. And we're deciding to keep this as a buy and hold because there's just not enough room in there to really make it a flip, without spending more money, and because to spend the money, it just doesn't make sense to try and sell it. But we did get the capability to lock it up for a decent enough price and for the rent that this place will command. And we've done our research for the area that it makes more sense to just buy and hold, keep it for a couple years, maybe keep it for a long, long time. Time will tell. And that's kind of it. We'll see a video when we're all said and done for what the end product looks like. And we're happy to have you. So again, thank you again for tuning in for another episode here with Kuhlman Group and ROS Properties. My video guy behind me, Jon Moore. So find our information at the end of the video, and coming in the near future, we will have a landing page that you can get to via a link and be able to get in touch with us individually or collectively. And we're always looking for new investors. We're looking for people that are just looking to unload a property here in both the Mercer County, Burlington County, or Bucks County areas. That's our preferred areas. Or if you're just trying to find a better way to make some more interest on your self-directed IRAs, or you're just tired of playing the gamble of the market, give us a call. We would love to talk to you. We secure it with great places like this, and we get the money back to you in a reasonable time. And 9 times out of 10, most of our investors are so happy with the outcome that we actually just had the question the other day, what if I were just to sign the check that was just mailed back to me for the short-term loan that we had? And it's like, well, that'd be great, but put it in, go through the process so there's records for everything that's been done. So again, thank you again, and stay tuned as we got more episodes coming.